Hello, welcome to Bound to the Earth. My name is Himanshi, and today we are going to talk about brinjals or eggplants. Basically, when we feed our plants a little, we get some flowers out of them, but if we don't feed them enough, we do not get any vegetable or fruit out of them. So, if you're feeding them enough or even a little and you're getting flowers, how to turn them into a fruit or vegetable is what we are going to talk about today. I would be helping you with it. It's a very simple trick, does not require a lot of time or any kind of resources to say, and we will get on with it. Bharta Bangan, big, black, round brinjal or eggplant. Stay with me. Now, look at this flower. This plant is a brinjal plant. I'll be getting it's pretty young actually. Ignore the eaten leaves, etc. But it's pretty young. I'm getting one flower over here, and this is the one which has already bloomed. Now, this is a perfect flower. It has both the parts, male and female. Usually, a lot of plants that we have, like for example, cucumbers, they have female flowers separately in some varieties, and male flowers separately. But in this one, we don't need a male or female flower separately. It's just all in one. What I want you to see is over here at the top, there's a white thing. I think you can see it. That's the female part. All right. And these yellow ones are the male ones. The yellow ones, they are stamens. And this white one on the top is the female part. And the ovary is somewhere over here at the back. So the pollen, as usual, the male parts carry. I just flicker them a little with a brush. This is an old painting brush that I used to have, and I use it for my gardening purposes these days now. All I have to do is flicker it a bit. I am not sure if you can see it, but with my eyes, I can see the pollen just getting everywhere in the wind. And that's it. Soon, I would have a proper big brinjal to eat, make a bharta out of. By the way, I love bhartas. The pollen, when I flickered the male part, gently, not make sure that you're not rough with it, or else it will end up breaking the stamen or the stigma or the flower itself. So be gentle with it. The pollen is out on the tip, which is stigma, the female part, and now soon, like I said, I would have a nice big brinjal to make a bharta out of. I'll show you a few more examples of other brinjals, which are like, for example, choo-choo brinjals. They're small, round, or egg-shaped. I'll show you that. Show those to you now. Now look at that. That is a choo-choo brinjal. Small, round. It will either stay round or turn into a kind of egg shape. But this is a choo-choo brinjal. This plant also has perfect flowers, meaning that they have male and female both of the parts in the same flower, but it also has some male flowers separately, just to increase the chances of pollination nature. But it doesn't matter how much you flicker these flowers, it will never turn into a vegetable. It will never turn into a brinjal. See, even these, the new ones which are coming, I'll zoom in and show you. I can't really, but there are new flowers coming in. They're all female. They're all male flowers. Even over here at the back, male. So you have to be able to differentiate which one is female and which one is a male plant. You would be able to see not just stamen, like I said, the yellow parts, they are stamen, all right, but you would not just stamen, but a stigma as well. Something like a single spike which will be rising in the middle, and you will be able to tell if it's a male or female part. And it would also has an swollen end over here for an ovary. For example, look at this one. I've already pollinated it. For example, look at this one. I've already pollinated this one, and it's drying. The petals are drying, and soon I will have a new brinjal out of them. So, this was about eggplants or brinjals, as some people call them according to their own convenience. How to pollinate them and how to make sure if you're getting flowers, then how to turn them into vegetables so that we can eat in chemical free, all right, and none of the pesticides or insecticides spread on them. Healthy living by healthy eating. If you have any questions, do comment. Let me know. I will answer them to the best of my capabilities. If you do like the video, if you have learned something, please subscribe, like the video, and do let us know. Thank you so much for your time. Once again, thank you for Bound to the Earth. Bye-bye.